In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack workspace. We'll walk through the exact path in Slack to remove yourself from a workspace by deactivating your account for that workspace. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deactivating your account removes you from the workspace and signs you out. Your existing messages and files remain for others to see based on the workspace's retention settings, but you won't appear in member lists or receive notifications. Begin by going to slack.com and signing into the workspace you want to leave. You can follow these same steps from the Slack desktop app as well, but some pages will open in your browser. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Click your profile picture or avatar. This opens a small menu with options related to your user. From that menu, choose Profile. Your profile panel will open, showing your details. On the right side of that panel, find the three dots icon, sometimes labeled as More. Click that to reveal additional actions related to your profile. Next, select Account Settings. Slack will take you to your account page in a browser tab tied to the current workspace. This page is where you control membership-related settings, and it's the safest, most direct way to leave the workspace without changing anything else. On the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Deactivate Your Account. Take a moment to read any notes Slack provides here. Deactivation will remove your access to this workspace, and you'll no longer be able to sign back in unless an admin reactivates you or you're invited again. If you have anything to hand off, like channel ownership or files, do that before continuing. When you're ready, click Deactivate Your Account. Slack will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your password for this workspace to confirm that it's really you. This is a security step to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. After typing your password, click Confirm Password to finalize the deactivation. Slack will process the change, sign you out, and you'll be removed from the workspace. If you don't see the option to deactivate, it may be restricted by your organization, and you may need to reach out to a workspace admin. If you change your mind later, ask an admin about reactivation or request a new invite to join again. That's it. You've successfully left the Slack workspace using the built-in account settings with everything done cleanly and securely.